5 miles, final, runway 16, McClellan.
5. And rotate. So we're leaving the traffic pattern early on that right-hand turnout because Rio Linda is just right over there and there's traffic about to take off and it's literally to our right. We leave out of it for right-hand traffic runway 17 Rio Linda.
71 Juliet on the 45 for right downwind for runway 17, looking for the traffic. Rio Linda.
Lincoln traffic, traffic 503, left base 15 Lincoln. 20 on the
Alright, we have some other traffic ahead of us. And we're going to join them in the pattern. We're going to go number 2 behind us.
26 Hotel on left downwind for 15, going to turn left base here. Lincoln traffic, left base, 15, Lincoln. Lincoln traffic, Cessna 26 Hotel, turning final 15, Lincoln.
There's the baseball field.
71 Juliet, clear runway 17, taxiing back to hangar. Rio Linda.
Traffic, traffic 503, left crosswind to 15 Lincoln.
And Rio Linda traffic, November 4043 Juliet, declare the active. Alright, let's go ahead and grab you, gentlemen. And I would
Lincoln traffic, stock 503, left downwind to 1 to 5. We got the traffic in front of us in sight. We'll maintain separation. Lincoln.
right now I'm working on my July. I'm shooting out to August, oh geez. So, but I have my written for my test on the 25th in 10 days, and then I have my check ride in the 15th of September. And then I'll have my commercial, hopefully, as long as everything goes well. And then it's off to the races for my CFI. So